358. Education for Chaos. Chalcedon Report number 357, April 1995. Henry R. Van Til, in The Calvinistic Concept of Culture, has said that culture is religion externalized. Basic to every culture is a religious faith, whether it is called a religion or not. This faith, as long as a civilization is growing, is held aggressively, zealously, and, in a very real sense, uncompromisingly. In Konechny's words, every civilization is on the offensive so long as it is not dying. A civilization rests on a particular premise or faith carefully and systematically developed, as Cornelius Van Til has shown. If its faith is vague and general, the culture is uncertain and dying. Moreover, as Konechny has stated it, the synthesis of civilization does not exist and is not possible. The only thing which is possible, and history is rich in examples of it, is a mechanical mixture of two or more civilizations, but its result is only chaos, barbarity, disintegration and cultural decadence, because such mixtures are a sin against the fundamental condition of the vitality of every civilization, which is the law of harmony of existential categories. The norms which rule the life of a human group have to form a unit. They cannot contradict each other. Felix Konechny, on the Plurality of Civilizations, London, Polonia Publications, 1962, page 25. Basic to our problem in the United States today is precisely such a decline. The United States has as its basic philosophy a confused humanism, which is a mixture of religious presuppositions. To reproduce this confusion educationally is education for chaos. It is important in any institution to have dedicated men who understand the Christian, Augustinian, and Reformed presuppositions of our basic American culture as formulated in constitutionalism. This means, first, that the men must be thoroughly Christian, but this is not enough. As Dr. Martin Lloyd-Jones has pointed out, there are many Christian doctors, but very few doctors with a Christian theory of medicine. Many colleges and universities have a fair number of dedicated Christians on their faculties, but almost none with men who have a Christian philosophy of science, history, education, sociology, political science, economics, etc. Of those who have no such philosophy, it can be said that such Christian professors are schizophrenic. Thus, the second need is for well-grounded men on the faculty or staff of any Christian institution. Anything less is to gather a collection of likable men, able in their fields, who are educating for chaos, because their basic faith is a mixture of humanism, anarchism, Christianity, Thomism, and tidbits of other origins. America will not be renewed by dedication to save America, nor the Church by a resolution to save the Church. It will be renewed by men whose first concern is to know the fundamentals of their faith and then to apply them. To be interested in Christianity as a personal issue only is fatal. Many scholars are interested in Christianity and ready to believe in it, but few are ready to reorder their whole scholarship in terms of it, uncompromisingly and fearlessly. Furthermore, another point is in order. Churchmen used to speak of cuckoo preachers, that is, men who would occupy a church pulpit only when it was built up by someone else, even as a cuckoo builds no nest but lays its eggs in other birds' nests. Given an institution with potential prestige plus financial terms better than those already available, a new foundation or school can quickly gain notable figures and become a fine cuckoo's nest of sterile men. Mavericks ready to fight and to sacrifice are needed. To set one's sights any lower than a root and branch faith, a systematic and thorough theology and philosophy, is to be pragmatic ultimately. To seek God's kingdom and His righteousness has this promise: all these other things shall be added unto us. The above was written on March 24th, 1963, to set down premises for Chalcedon, not education for chaos, but for Christ and His kingdom. This was written in answer to one person's request.